So today, a customer named Luis brought us his Ford Mustang GT. We're going to install the PC-18 pedal commander in it. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure the car is off. Once the car's off, put the key fob about 30 feet away. Then leave your door open for about 15 minutes. Then you're going to get behind the gas pedal, disconnect the gas pedal harness. Once you disconnect the gas pedal harness, you're going to bring in your pedal commander and plug it in line. Now that the pedal commander is installed, Luis is going to go test it out.
My name is Luis Carvajal, and I came to purchase a pedal commander. Well, my friend has a Charger Scat Pack, and he purchased one as well from you guys, and I went for a test drive, and that thing's pretty intense. You know, you feel a difference right away. Yeah, with nothing too.
That's Sport plus nothing. Take your foot off the gas and put it plus 3 or 4. Go for it.
Jesus.
What do you think?
That's pretty intense. Feel it right away. Damn. Ooh. That's pretty crazy.
So what do you think, man?
Man, that thing's instant. As soon as you barely touch it.
Would you recommend it to others?
I do recommend it. All you other Mustang owners, you better get one.
Yeah. If you want to keep up, anyway.
If you want to keep up. The torque monster now.
Oh, yeah.